own a pizza restaurant and I want to send new weekend offers to all our existing customers whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. But now manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer is going to take a lot of time. That's where I got up an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution that helped me to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to bulk contacts in just one click by launching a simple WhatsApp broadcast for that particular campaign. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Now here, as you know, that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. So we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards that section, let me tell you that I have created a message template using which I'm going to send this WhatsApp broadcast. And I have created this message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now here, if you wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now let me show you the template that I've created under this template section first. And under templates, you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. Let me show you the template that I have used over here. So this is my template that I've created, and here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. Now here, if you want to learn how you can create this template process in detail, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel for the same. Now once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section, and in the broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on the Add Broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Firstly, select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign from the drop down, and for the name, I'm going to give the name as New Weekend Offer. Moving forward, then comes the audience. Here, if you have an existing contact list, select the contact list from the drop down, or else if you want to import the bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account first in order to send the WhatsApp message, then you can upload a CSV file for the same. Now here, as you know that I have data in a Google Sheets format. That means firstly I need to download this data in a CSV file. Once I have a CSV file, I need to upload the same over here, and I can add those, and I can add these bulk contacts inside my Pabbly Chatflow account in just one go. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. Here you can select multiple lists as well. Moving forward, then comes the refine audience. Using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send the broadcast message. You can exclude the entire contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the contact list. Not only this, you can also exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. For now, I'm not going to add any. Then comes the message type. Here you can see two options. First is pre-approved template message, and the other one is regular message. If you want to send a regular message, select this option, and here you can select the message type from the drop down. If you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, and here I'm going to select the template that I've already created with the name Weekend Special Offer. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of name. So basically, variables makes your text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here, in order to make this text personalized, I have used variable in the place of name. And here, to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access a contact custom fields from the settings section. Under contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can create more fields as per your variables. For now, I'm going to copy the field name for the name and then I'm going to add the same in that particular field. So this is the field, and now after that, we're going to click on this done button and you can see we have successfully selected our template over here. Now it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send this WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number in order to test this WhatsApp broadcast. So I'm going to add my own contact name and my number over here. After that, we're going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp and you can see instantly that particular message has been received over here with my personalized name this time. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. After that comes the automatic retry of failed contacts. By turning this button on and giving a particular wait time between the retry attempts, you can automatically send this WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts without any manual effort. For now, I've turned it off. Then we're going to click on this add broadcast and you can see we have successfully scheduled a new broadcast over here. Now once your broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, and note. You can also resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting the resend option available over here as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to launch a WhatsApp campaign in just one click. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.